In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your menu in Wix Studio. Whether you're designing a sleek new website from scratch or refreshing an existing one, this guide will help you add that personal touch to your menu. So let's dive right in and start customizing. First, you'll want to open Wix Studio in your Chrome browser. If you haven't used Wix Studio before, it's an intuitive platform that lets you build beautiful websites without having to code. Once you're in, navigate to the page where you want to customize the menu. Take a moment to ensure everything else is how you like it, as focusing on the menu first will make the rest of your design process smoother. Next, go ahead and select the menu element on your page. You can do this by clicking on it directly, which will bring up various options. This is your starting point to some creative possibilities that will let you align the menu with your brand style and structure. Once you've selected the menu, it's time to move on to the design settings. Access these settings to find options to change fonts, colors, spacing, and layout. This step is vital because it allows you to tailor the visual aspects of your menu to match your overall design aesthetic. Want your menu items to pop? Opt for a bold, contrasting color or a sophisticated font that mirrors your brand identity. And don't forget about spacing. Proper spacing ensures readability and aesthetic balance on your site. After crafting your menu's look, you might want to add or remove menu items to suit your website's needs. If your business has expanded its offerings, or you've refined the information you want to present, this is your chance to reflect those changes in the menu structure. Adding new elements is as simple as a few clicks, while removing outdated items is just as straightforward. This ensures your site stays current and relevant. Now let's move on to customizing hover effects and responsive behavior. Hover effects can add a modern and interactive feel to your menus, capturing your visitors' attention and encouraging engagement. Responsive behavior, on the other hand, ensures that your menu looks great and functions well, regardless of the device it's being viewed on. As more users access websites from tablets and mobile devices, it's crucial your menu adapts accordingly. Once you're satisfied with all your customizations, the final step is to save and publish your site. Saving your work ensures that all the adjustments you've made aren't lost, and publishing makes those changes live for the world to see. Before hitting publish, double-check everything to ensure every element looks and performs exactly as you envisioned. There you have it. By following these steps, you'll end up with a beautifully customized menu that elevates your website's appearance and functionality. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!